SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's a standard language for storing, modifying, and deleting data in DB. Our SQL tutorial will teach you some common queries which can we use in SQL Server, MS Access, Oracle, Postgres. In this video you will learn how to install SQL Server in your local machine. Navigate to Microsoft SQL Server official web page, then select Preferred Language and click Download. Once the download is completed, click on the Downloaded SQL Setup. Then select Download Media option, and on the next screen click on Download. Once the download is successful, click on Open Folder and click on the downloaded SQLEXP setup. Click OK, let it be the default path. Then click on the first option, New SQL Server Standalone. Click on Next. Click on Next. Go through the license agreement and accept it. Click on Next. In this screen, uncheck the Azure extension for SQL Server. Click on Next. On this screen, select on Default Instance. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Once the installation is successful, click on Close. SQL Server Management Tool, often referring to SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, is a comprehensive tool for managing SQL Server databases. It enables database creation, query execution, security management, and performance monitoring, all within. Now click on Install SQL Server Management Tools. On the official Microsoft webpage, click on Download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Once the download is completed, open the setup and click Install. Once the installation is completed, you can check the instance running in background from service.msc. Now open the SQL Server Management tool and connect with default username and authentication. Now you can able to create, update, delete, and can perform any operations in DB and with the data. Thanks for watching our video. See you again.